Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about Java programming. In the last two videos, I have shown you how to run a file in the command prompt, okay, and in the first video, you have seen how to do a Java project. In this video, we'll write a small program and we'll see how to text a print on the output. And along with that, we will see other definitions in the program. So starting with this one, it is a 13-line program. As you can see, the first line is the welcome back. So this is the comment. Okay, this is how you will write a comment in a single line. Okay, if you want to write comment in more than one line, then you have to do /* enter. As you can see, /* and then should be star and /. You can write comments in this section. So whatever comments you want to write, you can write here. There are three types in which you can write a comment in IDEs. The first one is the /, the second one is the / and star, and the third method to write a comment is / and 2 stars. Okay, then press enter. This is mostly used for printing purpose in the books. It's better you don't use this one, otherwise it will take a whole lot of space while writing a program. Better to use either / or a single /*. Okay, I will delete this one now. So you have seen now how to write a comment. Let's come to the fourth line. Third line, nothing is there. Let's come to the fourth line. In the fourth line, you will see a public class display01. Here display01 is the name of the class, and for writing the class name you have to write along with class. Okay, so this is the start of the class program. So you have to write class and class name, and it should be public for accessible from other devices too. After this one, the class name should be start with the capital letters. Okay, better don't use any $sign in this one. Already $ is predefined in Java. Okay, if you want to write two-letter class name like hello there, then what you have to do, first letter should be capital of each word and write it without giving a space between the words. If you're writing a two-letter word as a class name, then you have to write like this without giving space between them, and the first letter of each word should be capital. And the file name should also be saved with the same class name, display01, and you can see here display01. Now we will start a class. The class should get started by from this left curly brace. The left curly bracket is the start and the right curly bracket is the end of the class. So whatever you want to write in the class, you should return between these two curly braces. The sixth line is nothing, only a comment, and the seventh line is the from main method is going to get start. Main method is the point where it will load in the JVM execution, and from there the execution of the program will get started. Okay, the main should return in a small letters. It is the point for the start of the program. It is written by public static void main. Public means you have to access this code from outside also, and static is there, void because it is a non-return type, and main method is for the start of the program. There are also different methods you will see in the later on videos, and after that this parenthesis is right in between string arguments. Now string is a class here. It is starting with a capital S. Okay, we'll write the statements in the form of a string, and we'll why args is our argument. For example, if you are writing this in the command terminal, we will going to pass argument with the file. If I write 11, 12, whatever it will pass the argument to the class. That's why we will write here arguments. And this square bracket are used for arrays. The square brackets are used for arrays. Then after that, main method is going to start with the left curly braces, and this will also end with the right curly braces. So this is the highlight is the main method. Whatever you want to run a function, then you have to write that in this curly braces. Okay, now in this main method we are going to pass only one single statement, that is the println statement we are going to pass. Okay, so system is there. System is the class which is a predefined class in the Java. Okay, and main is also a predefined method in Java. This string class is also predefined class in Java, and the string class and system class are present in the package called java.lang.system, as you can see in the dialog box. Java.lang.system. Java is the file and lang is the library and system is the class. Okay, it is stored in these packages. Okay, so the best part of IDE is, if you want to know the definition of anyone, just bring the cursor on that word, it will show you the definition. Okay, and now what you'll see is that here system is the class and out is the object. Now println is method is you are going to see now. Okay, now to write the println, we have to write in the parenthesis. Okay, and it should be, the statement should be between the quotes, otherwise it will give you error in the double quotes. Now println, if you want to print, the use of println is it will print this statement and bring the cursor in the next line. Okay, but if you write only just print, then it will execute, but the cursor will remain in the same line. Okay, for write println, it will execute the statement and the cursor will come into the next line. Okay, and the double quotes, while printing the output, the double quotes will get will exclude, it won't get include. So it will just print the statement which is present between the double quotes. Okay, after the end of the double quote, you have to write parenthesis and you have to end the statement using semicolon. If you don't use semicolon, it will give error. The use of semicolon is the end of statement. Okay, once the main method is over, you have to close it with right parenthesis, right curly brace. Okay, after the end of main method, now the end of class should be right curly brace. So this is how you will see the end of the class display. This right curly brace of here is for the end of main method, and this curly brace is the end of class. Okay, now we will run this small program in two types. One will run in the command terminal and will also run in the IDE. First I will run here. Okay, before running the command, before running the class, you have to save the file. Okay, if you don't save the file, you can see a star mark here, okay, before the class name. Once you save the file, the star mark will be gone. Okay, now we'll run this file. As you can see in my early video, how to compile and how to run a file. Okay, in the prior video I have shown how to run a program. This I am using here Macintosh and I am using here at Mac terminal. In Windows command prompt, you can run in the same form for little bit difference. First, you have to go to the location where the Java files are stored. My files are stored in the Java program folder. So I have come to that location. You should also find where the Java files are stored. Then go to the destination and execute the file. And now compilation is over. It is not giving any error. Now I will execute. Now while executing, show you one thing. The strings and system are all stored in the java.lang packages. Okay, later on we'll see in detail what are packages, but while taking this program in the JVM, which is Java Virtual Machine, it will load this program as well as it will load this class file also for the execution. Okay, so it will load this file, display file, and is also load java.lang.system and java.lang.string. Whatever the packages we are predefined, whatever we are using, it will load in the JVM. Now we will execute the file. Okay, java space file name, press enter. You can see the output. Hello, welcome to Java, welcome to YouTube channel. Okay, this is how you will run the Java file in the command prompt. You can see my prior videos for how to run a program in command terminal. Now we'll see in IDE. Okay, for running the Java file in your IDE, what you have to do, you have to click on this option, green play button. Okay, just as you put your cursor on that green play button, it will show you run display. It will show you the run and the class name. It is also same green play button is available in other IDEs. Now click on this option. It is running the program and it is displaying the output in the console. Okay, if you have any errors, then it will show in the problem window. In the console window, you will see the output. Now we will make some changes and again we will run the program. Save the program and again run it. See, there is changes in this one. Okay, now we'll see the errors. What if I don't put semicolon here? Okay, you can see a red cross button on the 10th line. That means your program is having error. Okay, the best part of IDE is it will auto compile while writing a program. Okay, so if you're writing a program, don't get scared because it will show you some errors, but check for errors after the completion of program. Okay, so if you want to know what the error, just take the arrow, your cursor, and put it on the red cross. It will show you the error, syntax error, insert semicolon to complete block statements. Okay, now we will run this program having an error. Save the program and again run it. It is showing in this window errors exist in required project. Project name is demo001. Proceed with launch, proceed. Now in the console you will see there is an error. Now go to the problem window and check for errors. You will show error one item, click on that one, syntax error semicolon to complete block statement. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll click on this one, it will show here, that's we'll put semicolon here. Okay, see how it is auto compiling and the red cross mark has gone. So don't get scared while writing a program if it is showing errors. Check for errors after the completion of programs. Again we will save it and we will run the program. Okay, you can see the output. So there is no error. Okay, in this video we have seen what are comments and what are the different type of comments, and we have seen how to write a class name, what is the main method here, what is a print, and how to write a print statement. Okay, what is left curly brace and right curly brace. Okay, in the next video we are going to see other Java tutorials. If you like my video, please press like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.